Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is EYEBROW. If you are a returning subscriber, you are so welcome. Thank you for coming here to watch this. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own brows by yourself. I'm going to be taking you through all the things that no one has probably told you about. If that sounds like what you want to learn, please do well to keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in the video. So first thing I want you to know is that there are 4 basic types of eyebrows that are common: round eyebrows, soft angled eyebrows, and flat or straight. But there is one that is very rare, which is the S-shaped eyebrow. It looks like an S, just like the name implies. For you to be able to easily draw your eyebrows, I think a lot of people miss this step. They don't know the shape of their eyebrows, and so they try to do something. For example, I love round eyebrows. They are so beautiful, but because I love them does not mean that I would go ahead and try. It doesn't even make sense. Look at my brows, they don't look like round eyebrows. So we've established that you need to know the type of brows that you have. The second thing I would want you to know, if you're struggling with your brows, maybe you need to do this. When I went to Zara makeup school to learn how to do makeup, the first week I was told to go and buy pencil, eraser, and a drawing book that has plain sheets. I was like, I came here to learn how to do makeup. Why are you telling me to get a plain sheet of paper? Why are you telling me to get an eraser? I mean, concealer should be able to erase any mistake in makeup, right? So I got it, and I was told to draw eyebrows on a piece of paper. That was my assignment for like 4 days, nothing less than 4 days. I was just going to the studio to draw eyebrows on a piece of paper. Let me show you. I am not joking. I was drawing eyebrows on a piece of paper. You can skip this step because the other steps that I'm going to give should help you. But if you find out that you are still struggling with trying to get to draw your brows, then please go and learn on paper first. It helps you so much. It helps you to just get used to the type of brows there are, and if you are a makeup artist, it will help you to be able to understand other clients' type of brows and not just your brows. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you where your eyebrows are meant to start and where they're meant to stop. So take a little tiny brush, probably the brush you're going to be using if you're using a brow powder or a brow pomade, or you can use a pencil, an eyebrow pencil. So just take that and put that by the side of your nose. This is where your brows should be. So make a mark there. Then that's too dark. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make your eyebrows lighter if you have it looking very dark. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned to this channel. Alright, so next is to show you where your arc is. So this tiny brush we have here should pass through the middle of your eye. Just make a mark at the point where it meets your brows. This is where your eyebrows, that's where the arc should be. So we'll just make a mark there. And if you are following the natural shape of your brows, this should not be a problem to get your arc. Next, we are just going to put the brush here beside your nose, just right here, and take it down just like you want to do a winged liner. It's beneath your eyes right here. You're not doing this here and this part is here. No, you are putting it beneath or beside your nose and beneath your eyes, and that is where your brows should end, right here. So now that we have those marks, we are going to, let me show you, that is clearer. That's where it's supposed to end. So now that we have those marks set, we're just going to brush through our brows upwards. So after we brush through our brows, we'll have to start filling in. Whenever you're filling with a brow powder, a brow pomade, a brow pencil, just use anything. If you don't have any of this, don't worry. If you have an eyeshadow palette, pick any brown shade or any dark shade that would match your skin tone. Just get something and work with something. Work with whatever you have. I'm going to take, this is the Zaron brow powder. I've been using this. I think I don't even know how to use a brow pencil anymore because I'm so used to this and I love it. I love how it looks. Okay, so now that we have the product on here, I'm going to be showing you how to fill in your brows. I like to start with filling from the bottom and just making like some tiny strokes all the way through. I will just keep going. So I'm going to add some more product to my arc. You can see that this part is too slim, so we want to make everything the same size. So I'm going to add some over there. You can see. So we are making tiny strokes at the beginning so that it has like a natural look. Because of the mark that we made in the beginning, I'm going to use a spoolie to just brush up and brush upwards so that that dark shade can just disappear. So I don't know if you can see, that looks so much better right now. If you have gone overboard with your brows and it looks very dark, I would advise that you just take some powder, like some setting powder on your spoolie. Try to dust off the excess and just apply it on your eyebrows. If you have a brow tint, that could work as well, but you guys know me, I make do with what I have. I tried my best to make do with what I have. So I'm just applying that to make the eyebrows look a little bit light, not so dark. Can you see? So I'm going to be using the ZKL concealer to conceal my brows, and I don't like to use so much products, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that and using a very precise brush. Please use a very precise brush. It makes everything easier. So after we have concealed, blend and blend and blend till your hands fall off. Please blend, please. Spread everything out. We just blend everything, just make it look flawless. Some people will leave it like this. If you watch, if you look, you will see that this part is not blended properly. So blend from where you have defined. So we'll just keep blending out on it. Looks good. So if you look at this right now, you would see that this part is not fully blended as compared to this eyebrow. So we are going to keep on blending till we make them look alike. One thing I want to stress on, I don't like the fact that you would use the same shade of concealer you use beneath your brows on top of your brows. Please, everyone is different here, but using my shade of foundation makes everything easier, or a shade or two lighter than your foundation shade, because you can always blend it into your foundation color. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I'm going to be using my foundation, which is very dark. I'm going to be using the Lady V Beauty foundation. On a normal day, I don't like concealing the top of my brows. I mean, look at them right now. They look good. They look nothing too serious, but because I want to show you how to conceal the top of your brows using something that is like your skin color so that it looks very natural, I'm going to show you. But it's looking very defined right now. As you can see, I'm done, literally done. I'm going to do the other part, the other side. Do this and you can say that you have upgraded. Set your eyebrows, set beneath using some setting powder. It looks better when you set your eyebrows. So I'm picking up my fluffy blending brush to just set instead of my beauty blender. So I'm going to be using the KELECHI Face Definer palette. This is also in honey, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm going to be using this shade right here to just apply and place that on the top. This is what you would not see in a 1 minute Instagram tutorial. So if you watched till this end, please do well to subscribe. Please do well to like this video, share this video, comment down below what other kind of makeup tutorial you want me to do here on my channel. I'm here to create content for you, so please tell me what you want to see. Tell me something you've been willing to learn. If you want to add some spice, which I think you might like, you would want to put and pop some highlights on. So using the same KELECHI palette, I'm going to be using this highlighter right here. I'm going to be using this right here to highlight my brow bone. You know what? Let me just use a fluffy blending brush to do that. It'll make everything easier for me. I went ahead to do my lashes, and I also went ahead to do my lips. If you have stayed till this point, thank you so much for staying to the end. Please do well to leave me a very big red heart in the comment section, and I will be very glad. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for coming on here. It really means a lot to me, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.